Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Claudie Cooks. Today we're going to be cooking some delicious salmon bites with a spicy, creamy Greek yogurt and sour cream dip. As always, all of the ingredients used in this recipe will be listed in the link below. Let's get going. I'm coating the salmon with some olive oil spray before adding all of the spices. It's time to add those flavors. Adding some green seasoning here. Let's massage all this goodness into the salmon pieces. Time to set this aside to marinate for about 15 to 30 minutes. It's time to make the dip. I am adding some lime juice to cut through the creaminess and add freshness and zing to enhance the flavor to the dip. Here I'm adding a pinch of salt as well. What a beautiful color. Don't you think that looks lovely? I do. And it tastes great too. Time to put it away in the fridge. I've preheated the air fryer for 2 minutes at 180 and now I'm spraying the oil in before I put the salmon pieces in. Cooking this on 180 degrees centigrade for 4 minutes on the first side and then 3 minutes on the next side. There you have it, after 7 minutes, all done and looking scrumptious. Time to add some of that spicy, creamy, delicious dip. And there you have it, guys. Doesn't that look delicious? Don't you want to eat it? It was delicious. I think it's a beautiful dish. Try it out and let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share with your friends and family, and don't forget to hit that notification button.